Hey, I'm John, founder of Desert Drones. I've been flying commercially since 2020, real estate, inspections, construction, solar, advertising, events across 5 states. And when I was getting started, I ran into the same problem everyone does. There are plenty of Part 107 courses out there. Most of them will get you through the FAA exam, but the day after you pass, you're on your own. Nobody tells you what to charge for a roof inspection. Nobody explains what a certificate of insurance is or why every GC in the country is going to ask for one before you get on their job site. Nobody walks you through what happens when a client asks you to expand scope after you've already quoted the job. That's what this course is built to fix. It's 17 modules in 2 parts. Part 1 is full exam prep, airspace, weather, regulations, chart reading, practice tests. Everything you need to pass the FAA Part 107 knowledge test on your first attempt. Part 2 is the commercial side, pricing, contracts, insurance, how to scope a job, what to put in a deliverable, how to run a clean handoff so clients call you again. This is the course I would have handed myself on day one, not theory, and what I actually do, what I charge, and what I've learned from flying real jobs for real clients. If you're serious about going commercial, this is where to start. Enrollment is open now. I'll see you inside.